Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have a watch link unboxing here from Uncle Seiko. I recently just had to add a link to my Tudor BB58 for the summertime here, and now the watch is a little bit too loose, but if I go back to adding the other, removing a link and then taking the micro adjust all the way out, then it's just a little bit too tight. So did a little bit of research, and I see that Uncle Seiko offers this a half link for this watch, and I reached out to them and asked if they would send one over, and they agreed. So I'll mark this video as a paid promotion, as I did not have to pay for this half link. So I will follow up this video with another video sizing this watch with the half link, and I'll edit in, or I'll splice a video with me talking from the future about my experience wearing this watch with that half link for about a week or so, to see if it solved my issue here with the watch. Apparently it's a well documented issue. Otherwise I don't think Uncle Seiko would manufacture this half link here. I'll leave a link in the description for this. I believe they're about $30. I don't exactly remember, but like I said, I'll leave a link right in the video description for this. And I have here an extra link for the Tudor, so we can look at these side by side. I do like this packaging here. It has a little plastic divider in here, so the bars don't scratch the link. Just a nice touch. So let's bring this over here. Get some other parts on here for other watches. Always got something going on around here. So let's get this. This is one bad thing about trimming my nails short. Let's get this out of here. So today we'll just take a look at the links, and I'll follow up with another video on how to size your watch. It's pretty straightforward, like sizing any other watch, but also talk about my experience with this half link. I'm assuming that it will fix my issue here. Let's get that out of the way. Hopefully we can focus on these links. So it looks just like a factory item from Tudor to me, to my eyes here. Has the fake rivets here, and also it has the groove here for the what would be like a side plate on a riveted bracelet. Yeah, it definitely looks the part. Let's see if these two links fit together, and then we'll close out the video. I do like that they sent 2 screws with it, wherever I put the little pouch. There we go. So I'll keep that in my box with my other spare links. Alright, that will conclude this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it, and it really helps me out. I also appreciate Uncle Seiko sending this over, and as always, appreciate you guys watching and taking the time.